Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing and I am more excited about this Stitch Fix unboxing than normal because now I can wear regular clothes. I don't have to wear maternity clothes. So if you're new to my channel, I recently just had a baby. I had a baby boy. His name is Tanner. So I am almost 3 weeks postpartum right now. So I'm able to now wear some regular clothing, which I am so excited about. So this is my first Stitch Fix postpartum. So like I said, I am so excited about this box. So I always peek at my emails because I hate surprises. So I always peek at my emails so that I know what's in this box, but I'm still gonna share with you guys what is in this box, and I'm gonna do a try on and then we'll talk about the prices and all of that fun stuff. So if you're new to my channel and if you're new to the Stitch Fix world, Stitch Fix is basically a personal stylist, but you don't have to go in store. So when you sign up for Stitch Fix, you're going to take a questionnaire about your style, and then your stylist is going to pick things out for you. They ship it in a box, and then you try on things in the comfort of your own home, and whatever you decide you want to go ahead and keep, you keep. And whatever you want to send back, you send back, and there's a pre-labeled shipping label to return back. So it's nice that you don't have to pay for the return shipping on whatever you don't want to keep. So if you are at all interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, if you use the code below, you can actually try it out for free. So the styling fee is normally $20. So if you sign up with my link below, you can try a box out 100% free. So I like free on my channel, so why not give it a shot for free? So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys everything that is in the box, which I am so excited about this box, if I haven't said that already. So what you're gonna get inside this is the box right here. So what you're gonna get is this little envelope, and inside the envelope is going to be a style card, and the style card is basically So the style card is going to give you some ideas of how you can wear the items that are in your box. So it gives you basically outfit ideas on what you can do to style the items that are inside your box. And then there's also a note from your stylist. So my stylist said, "Hi Gina, happy June. Thanks so much for your request. I'm so sorry I couldn't find exact matches, but I aim to match the aesthetic of your pieces. You mentioned distressed denim, which I did request, and then I had a few tops that I requested specifically, and it looks like she was able to pull one of the tops that I specifically requested, so that's awesome. So thank you so much, Jan, if you are watching. And then also inside is a price sheet, which we'll go ahead and look at afterwards, because I like to look at the prices after, because I don't want to judge an article of clothing based on the price. Like, I want to try it on, I want to see what the fit's like before I'm going to make a judgment on how much it's going to cost. So this is everything that's inside my little bundle. So we're just going to go ahead and jump in and see what we got here. So the first thing that I am finding is a pair of distressed denim shorts. So this is a light wash, and they're very stretchy, which is going to be amazing for me. And they're not super short, which I love as well, because you know, I'm a mom of 3, so I do not want to be wearing any booty shorts. So this is the level 99 Gavin distressed frayed hem short, and I got a size 10 if you are wondering. So I got that. And then the next thing I have here looks like a top, and this is the Everyday Skies Are Blue, and it is a purple and blue cold shoulder top. And then there are some white, like crochet detail at the bottom, so I'm really liking that. It's really airy. It's gonna go great with those shorts. And then the next thing inside is a Market & Spruce dress. It's the Market & Spruce Meg knit dress, and it is a pink and red striped dress. It's very stretchy. I love that. Love the color. I think this is going to be a really good piece, actually. I'm actually really loving this. So yay. Love that. And the next thing in here, oh cute. Next thing in here is a floral tank. So on the front it is gray with a floral trim, and then on the back is a floral detail, and it looks like it's high-low as well. So this is the Pink Clover Dacia Floral Back Knit Top, and this is in light gray. So loving that, and I love how all the tops can go with the denim shorts. And then the next thing is a Thread for Thought. The Aisha Knot Front Cotton Blend Knit Top. So this is a light pink top, and it has a like little cross detail at the front, light pink, definitely a color I gravitate towards. So the only thing that I'm unsure of, the only thing I'm unsure about fit-wise is if these shorts are gonna fit me. So I'm not sure if the shorts are gonna fit me, but hopefully it does. But something I'm noticing that they didn't send me is the return label to send everything back. Oh wait, just kidding. Return label is right here. At first I was like, oh crap, Stitch Fix is gonna make me buy everything because they didn't send me a return label. So now let's go ahead and get on into the try-on portion. Okay, you guys, so this is the Market and Spruce striped dress, and I think that this is the perfect item to be wearing for postpartum in the summertime because it's light, it's airy, it's forgiving. I love the pattern on it, so I think that this is actually a really nice dress. So I'm definitely loving that. Okay, so this is the floral tank right here, and the fit is perfect for me. The shorts actually, surprisingly, they fit. So again, I am 3 weeks postpartum. So for me to be able to go ahead and like actually button up a pair of regular shorts is a win for me. So they're not super short, which I really like. They're definitely a little bit snug right now, but you know, as I continue to lose weight post baby, I think that these are going to fit me really nice. I think I just have maybe about 10 more pounds to lose, and these will be perfect. So I think it gives me an idea of, you know, what these shorts would look like. And I also like that there is, they like button up. So I like that there's no zipper. So I think that the button up detail is actually really fun and different, and there's some frays for some distressing. So, you know, once I start getting back into running and all that stuff, then I'm going to slim down a little bit more, and these will be, you know, the perfect shorts. Okay, so this is the pink cross front top. So I think that this top is okay. My issue that I have with it is that it's definitely gonna like show my tummy. So I have some postpartum leggings on right now. So there's a band that's like covering my stomach, but if I didn't have this, then it would be showing a little bit of my stomach. Otherwise I could wear like high-waisted pants or shorts, but you know, I'm not about to be, you know, showing my like midriff area because that's just not gonna be cute, because after having 3 kids, I'm probably gonna have a little bit of a pooch going on for quite some time, and you know, having that little bit of skin showing with, you know what I'm talking about, ladies, a little bulge right here. I just don't think that that's gonna look very cute. Now these would work with like high-waisted pants or high-waisted shorts, but I don't like having items that I can only wear with like one particular thing. So it's not like a versatile item to where I can wear this top with anything. So not sure about this guy. This top is everything. It fits me perfectly. I love the color combination of purple and navy. I love the crochet detail right here. I'll just kind of squat down a little bit, and it's off the shoulder, and I could wear just like a nude bra and it's gonna work out just fine. It's comfy. I can lift my hands over my head, which is good. And I absolutely love this top. It is comfortable. It is just everything that I would want in a summer top. So this top is definitely a 10. Definitely a 10. So now that I've tried everything on, let's just go ahead and talk some prices. So what you're gonna see on your price sheet is everything that's the retail cost. Now, if you buy all 5 things in your box, you're gonna get a 25% off discount. So what can happen sometimes is you may like 3 or 4 pieces, so it may make more sense for you just to go ahead and buy the whole box when you factor in the discount. So an idea you can do, if you get an item in your box you don't particularly like, you can always gift it to someone, or you can sell on Poshmark, or you can sell your item on Facebook groups. Those are great as well. I've sold items on Facebook groups so many times. So everything. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go through all the prices. So the top that I'm wearing, the Skies Are Blue top, the one that I'm wearing right now, the top I absolutely love. This top is $54, so I think that's really fair for a nice summer top. And Stitch Fix clothing, in my opinion, are very nice quality. So I haven't had any issues with any items that I've purchased in terms of them just kind of getting worn down in the wash or anything like that. All of my Stitch Fix items I have held up nicely, and they are the clothes that I tend to pull from my closet the most frequently. So definitely you're getting a good value for, you're getting good quality for the price you were paying. So the next item is the frayed shorts, which I actually really do love these shorts. So this is the Level 99 Gavin Distressed Frayed Hem Short, and this is $68. So definitely more than I would spend on a pair of shorts, especially since you can get them for about 20 bucks at Old Navy. But the denim quality on those versus the denim quality on Old Navy, these are a lot better quality in my opinion. So next thing is the Thread for Thought light pink top. So this guy is $38. So I think that's a little high for just a plain t-shirt in my opinion. And then the next thing is something I actually really love, and I could see myself wearing this a ton in the summer. So this is the Pink Clover floral back knit top. And this guy is 28 bucks. So yes, I would definitely pay $28 for this. So 28 bucks right there. And then the Market and Spruce Meg knit dress, which is another item that I really love. This guy is $58 right here. So this dress right here is $58, and I could see myself wearing this with some like white canvas shoes or some sandals, but definitely love this guy, and I could see myself wearing that a lot. Even just to throw over like my swimsuit for the summertime, I definitely find myself wearing that top a lot. And then I absolutely love the top that I'm wearing right now. So out of everything in the box, I like 3 items so far. So I like the top, I like the dress, and the floral tank. So the items that I'm kind of on the fence on is the pink top and the shorts. So I'm really gonna need your guys' help to help me decide what I should keep and what I should send back. So if I wanted to go ahead and keep everything, my subtotal would be $184.50. So I'm saving $61.50. So basically I would be getting the pink top. I feel like it's better if I just go ahead and buy everything in the box, because I just think it's gonna make more sense. But you guys let me know what you guys think I should be doing. So this is everything that came in my Stitch Fix box. I love unboxing Stitch Fix boxes so much. I look forward to it. When the mailman came and brought my package, I said, this is my favorite package that comes literally every month to 2 months here. That's how often I order Stitch Fix. So usually it's between every 2 to 3 months I will request a Stitch Fix box. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should keep. What do you think looks well on me? Should I keep the shorts, even though they're a little tight on me right now, but within a month's time, they'll probably fit really well. So just let me know. So if you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. And if you're at all interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, there'll be a link below in the description box. It's free, and when you sign up, then it helps give me some credit to help pay for some of these items that come in my boxes. So for those who have signed up with my referral code, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. And I hope everyone has a fantastic day. And I just love how pretty this shirt makes me feel. This shirt makes me feel really pretty, which is a good thing, especially when your body's in that weird in-between stage after you just have a baby and then you're trying to get yourself back to your normal weight and all that. If a shirt can make me feel va-va-voom, then I have to have it. So I find that that happens with a lot of Stitch Fix clothes. I find that they're very flattering, they fit well. So I would highly recommend, if you have not given Stitch Fix a try, just try it out once. It's free, why not? So treat yourself, get a box, and then you don't have to go to the mall to try on clothes. And it's a lifesaver if you have kids, because if you've at all tried to try on clothes and shop with kiddos, you know the struggle, and you know the struggle is real. So I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.